Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about how to use a measuring tape. As you can see, the tape has two sides, the inches and the centimeter side. So the one with the big lines that are very spaced, that's the inches and centimeters. I flipped it to the other side for you to be able to see that it's the same tape. It has two sides. So, but we're going to be focusing on the inches side. And as you can see, the inches are spaced widely more than the centimeter side. I had to zoom in for you to be able to see clearly what I'm talking about. Now, as you can see, in the inches, there are little lines between 1 inch and 2 inch. There are 8 lines. 8 small lines make an inch. Now we are going to be learning what those small lines are. So I'm trying to draw it out here so that it can be easy for us to illustrate. Like I said, there are 8 lines between an inch. 8 lines make an inch. So that's the 8 I just drew now. That will be 0 as a starting point. We are going to count from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines in 1 inch. So now we are going to be writing. This is 1 over 8. This is 2 over 8. This is 3 over 8. 4 over 8. 5 over 8. 6 over 8. 7 over 8. And this is 8 over 8. That 8 over 8 is called 1 inch. Now I'm going to be breaking it down to the smallest decimal for us to know how we got to 1. Why 8 over 8 is called 1. So you divide each number by 2. 2 divide 1 over 8 cannot go. So we move, so we bring it down. This is still called 1 over 8. The first line is called 1 over 8. Now for this 2 over 8, we'll be dividing it by 2. 2 divide 2 will give us 1. 2 divide 8 will give us 4. We cannot divide it any further, so we will bring it down. It's called 1 over 4. That's quarter. The third line, 3 over 8. We'll be dividing it by 2. 3 over 8. Now, 2 cannot go. So this line still remains 3 over 8. We go to the next one, the fourth line. We'll divide it to the smallest decimal. 4 over 8. 2 divide 4 will give us 2. 2 divide 8 will give us 4. That's 2 over 4. We divide it again. It gives us 1. 2 divide 4 will give us 2. That's 1 over 2. That's half. 1 over 2. The fourth line is called half. Remember that 4 over 8 is half. That's 1 over 2 when divided to the smallest decimal. We move to the next one. 5 over 8. 5 over 8. This is odd, so it's not going to go. It remains 5 over 8. Now we'll move to the next one. 6 over 8. We'll divide it by 2. 2 divide 6, 3. 2 divide 8, 4. 3 over 4, that's 3/4. I'm going to be including their names in this video at the side. So we move to the next one, 7 over 8. If we try to divide it, you see that it cannot go because 7 is an odd number, it cannot go. So we leave it, 7 over 8. And then 8 over 8. 8 over 8 is 1. 8 divide 8, 4. 8 divide 8, 4. That's 4 over 4. If we divide again, 2. 2 divide 4, 2. If we divide again, 1. 2 divide 2, 1. And we know that 1 over 1 is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. So that's how you got 1. That's why that 8th line is called 1 inch. It's not called 8 over 8. It's called 1 inch. So there are basically 8 lines in 1 inch. Now I'm going to be showing you how to measure. Always start from the 0 mark, which is the beginning of the tape. If you want to measure, whether you're measuring somebody or you're measuring a fabric, start from the 0 mark and make sure that your tape is flat. Do not stretch your tape out. Make sure that it's flat and don't stretch it so you can get the accurate measurements. Remember, if you're using the inches side, use the inches side. If you want to use the centimeter side, use the centimeter. Well, I prefer to use the inches side, and a lot of persons do too. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to maintain the tips that I told you. Keep your tape flat and don't stretch your tape. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel.